weather message
That was a jump
for the
scare.
following counties in Virginia: Bedford, Botetourt,
cool, I'm under
Franklin,
that
and
too.
Roanoke. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 to 5 inches. Where? Portions of central, south central, and west central Virginia. When? From 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Here is winter weather.
Well, that was a jump scare. I totally didn't see that coming.